morning, kindergarten. This is math lesson 72A. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our calendar and we're going to write our name and the date and the day of the week on the calendar. So I've been marking my calendar, and this lesson is for today, which is the 11th. So we're going to write 5 because that's our month, May, and we had written our 5 down here or up here, wherever your May name is. So you know that we write 5 first, and our day is going to be 11, and we know that it's 2020, so we're just going to write our 20. Then we find our 11 again, and we go straight up. And you might be able to read that it's Monday, or you could go Sunday, Monday, and write your word Monday on the day of the week. Now, don't forget your name, and they're asking you, remember last time they asked you to draw a line, we did line segments on 71 Master. So they're telling you that they want you to draw a line segment between these two endpoints. So I'm taking my ruler, I'm putting it right underneath my dots. I start on my end dot over here, and I end over here. Then you write your name. Now, we started talking about doing tally marks, and so they want us to do tally marks for the date. So we're going to do tally marks for 11. So remember how we do that is we count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then draw a line across for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a line across, because there's 5 more, that's 10, and we need 1 more. So our tally marks, we can count them by 5s, and you guys know how to count by 5s. So 5, 10, and 1 more is 11. So that's an easy way to count your tally marks. Remember, just count by 5s. If you have learned all your counting by 5s, this will be something super easy for you to do. Now, you're going to write your number and then 65 and then write it 2 more times. Now remember, digits are just one of these numbers. So in order to tell how many digits, you have to count all of the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and write a 6 up here. Okay, now here's a different kind of a problem for us. This says Mrs. Watson has 3 slices of bread. She cut each slice in half. Draw a picture to show what happened. Okay, so they wanted 3 slices, so we're going to draw 3 slices on our rectangle. There's 1 slice of bread, 2 slices of bread, 3 slices of bread. And she cut each one in half. So you put a line halfway through this one, halfway through this one, halfway through this one. And it says, how many children can have a piece of bread? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 children can have bread. Now you could put numbers in them. But you don't have to. this says count the tally marks. Now remember, I said if you have a set of 5 and a 5 and a 5, you don't have to count all the lines because that'll take a long time. Use your counting by 5 skill and count this way. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, I don't have another 5, so I have to count by 1s. 25, 26, 27. So we have 27 tally marks. Now you don't have to write the numbers underneath, but if you want to keep track for yourself, you could do that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. Okay, now they want you to color the pennies brown. Okay, we can't color this one. That one is a dime. But we have to start counting our money with the dimes. So we count 10 because every dime is worth 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So remember, I don't want you just to count the pennies. How much money includes your dimes? So count the dimes first and then count the rest of your pennies. So it says circle the number in the box that is between 27 and 35. Well, 36 is over here. That's not between. 24 is over here. That's not between. It must be 31 because we count 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we know that one is in between. So you need to write it, but it says circle the one in the box. So you're going to circle it and write it. So now you're just going to write the answers. These are your 2 facts, and you have 2 facts on some of your math practice videos. So hopefully you've been practicing those, and this gets to be super easy. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 minus 2 is 5. But 2 plus 7 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, now that you finished this side, remember what we did. Flip your paper over and do the other side for me. Have a good day, and I'll see you for the next math lesson.